Good morning, team. Thank you so much for jumping on today's Monday Morning Pep Talk. On this 267th episode of my Monday Morning Pep Talk, I will address the issue behind why so many real estate professionals do not have a CRM. They get hobbled by the question, where do I start? And that's the title of today's Monday Morning Pep Talk. Getting started with a CRM can feel overwhelming, especially when you're trying to identify your most important contacts. Uh, the key is to start small and build momentum. It was important for me today to present this to you, and I needed to write this Monday Morning Pep Talk because I constantly get this question, and this Monday Morning Pep Talk will answer it. Where do I start? But before I jump into today's call, I want to remind you of my professional purpose, and that is to simply help you, the full service, full fee advisor, optimize your productivity and help you become the best version of yourself. Why? Because happy advisors sell more real estate. And I do that by teaching you how to handle challenges and opportunities that you face every single day. When you can effectively manage situations that arise on a daily basis in your business, you're going to be more productive and you will live a life that reflects the best version of you. My ask, as always, is to listen today as if we are in a one on one coaching call in my office or on the phone. You don't need to create a perfect list overnight. Instead, focus on simple, intentional steps that will add up over time. By systematically pulling names from your existing networks, your email, phone, social media, past transactions, you'll begin to see patterns and uncover the key people who do drive your business. The goal isn't just to fill a CRM, it's to build a strategy that keeps you connected to the right people in a way that feels natural and sustainable. So today I want to break it down step by step, the step by step process that is going to allow us to answer the question, how do I get started? Okay, step one, I want you to define your list. And this has already actually been done for you through Take Flight. Um, but, before you're digging through your files, let's get clear on what qualifies a top contact. Um, Here are the 5 lists. Here are the defined lists that can guide you. Your top 100 clients. These are your best, highest producing, and most loyal clients. They help your business thrive. These could be past colleagues, power connectors, of course, past clients. They are in your sphere of influence. They're your champions for your success, mentors, close friends, family, and community that help you build your business. They're out there. They're your salespeople. And in this list, others will be more impactful than others, but still, you want to identify those people who are champions of your business. Now we have your top 100 referral partners. Who has These people have referred business to you? Okay, most notably in the Sotheby's International Realty brand, they're going to be a lot of them will be referral partners in other markets that you have networked with and gotten to know and trust with your clients, and vice versa. They could also be attorneys, financial advisors, developers, architects, etc. That you will have a referral, relationship with. Um, Again, we call within the industry, we call them referrals. If we're talking to our clients, we use the word introduction, but they are, your referral partners. These are important people to your business. Then we've got your warm list. I love the warm list. I think those people that have those advisors that have the largest warm list will sell the most real estate. That's my opinion. And this is your list of people likely to buy or sell within the next 12 months, whether they realize it or not. Advisors with the largest well-managed warm list, like I said, will dominate the market. And people in your warm list end up appreciating you more than most people because you are adding value to their lives before they're really truly able to deliver on, a transaction, where you will get paid. So I have found that when I was selling full time, these turned into my biggest referral sources out of my top 100. So do not ever forget your warm list. And then we have your hot list. These are your clients, your current prospects that plan to buy or sell within the next 90 days. Used to be 30 days, but now it's 90 days because it's taking a little bit longer in some of these low inventory markets to find opportunities. But yeah, they are your active clients, active prospects. And then we've got your local collaborative brokers. This is the list of local collaborative brokers that you speak with, share inventory. It's brand agnostic. These are, they help you, they give you suggestions on pricing, the whole bit. And they're your friends in the industry. Now, these categories aren't new to you if you've been following me for a while. I have a lot of new followers, especially here at Jameson Sotheby's International Realty with the additions we've added. But this is your 5 lists as you go into your CRM, and here locally we use a product called ReChat that we're really super excited about. So when you're going in, these are going to be your categories. These as tags. Okay. Step 2, mine your data sources. Here are some ideas, okay, on how to identify and search for contacts that should be placed in your 5 lists. Use this checklist to pull names systematically, okay? And this is really honestly why I wrote this Monday Morning Pep Talk, is this strategy on how to go find the names. You can search in your email and calendar, search terms like client, closing, contract, referral in your deleted and in your inbox, or throughout your mail systems. All mail systems have the ability to search the entire you know product. Okay, so search terms, like I said, client, closing, contract, referral, any key terms that you think that can deliver, names. Review the sent emails from the past 12 to 24 months, maybe using those same words. You, who have you had regular contact with? And then check your calendar invites over that period of time. Who have you met with consistently? So we're just going in and we're dining, we're mining our communication systems. And then you've got your phone, you've got text messages. Look at your call history and most frequently, texted contacts. Okay. Scroll through your saved contacts. Who jumps out as a high value connection? Okay. So we're going through, we're looking for additional people there. If you've got business cards laying around or notes and old lists, dig through old spreadsheets, handwritten notes, client lists from past years, check stacks of business cards. Most of us don't collect those anymore, but you get the point. It's a good way to declutter anyway. Go through and get everything out and in your CRM. Social media, review your LinkedIn connections, your Facebook and Instagram DMs. You can sort, in LinkedIn by messages and engagement. When you're in Facebook and Instagram, the DMs and Instagram Messenger or Facebook Messenger, you can go in and really truly um, find those people that you're communicating with, who's liking your comments, who's liking your posts, etc. Another way to go find people, be reminded of who should be on your list. Financial and transaction records, pull a list of past clients from your transaction management software or accounting records. Search, I think the best way to do it, honestly, though, is to go into the MLS, go back 3 to 5 years, and pull all of your closed addresses for both the buy side and the listing side, and pull those addresses. I had somebody do that here early or late last year, early this year, and they just started calling those people, and they came out of it with 3 or 4 big opportunities that are now listed or under contract. So that is a great place to start. I'd put that in my top 2 or 3 places to go first, is pull your MLS if you've really not kept people on a list. Then you get into industry and networking groups. Think of conference attendees, mastermind groups, coaching alumni you've connected with. Check association membership and event guest lists. Who on that list is worth adding to your especially your top one referral partners? Okay. As you build that list out, it's an important list. If you attend a house of worship, who is it at your house of worship that you have a professional relationship with, or you've done business with, or they've asked you questions? Now, before you start the process of building out your CRM, collect the names that you found and collect them in a Google sheet or Excel sheet. You want to use this as a checklist. So when you download your CRM, most CRM products, if not all of them, have downloading from your email, social media, links, etc. It's going to pull a bunch of people in as you connect with it. But you really do want something that you can help guide you through the construction of your CRM and getting people put in the right in the right categories and et cetera. You use that list, you use that checklist to make sure you don't miss somebody. Um, and I really feel like that is a big part of this is that if you can get that work done, and as you're going through this process, hey, if you see somebody on there that you think needs a reach out, do it while you go through it. I think a lot of people um, they wait till this project's done and then they start contacting people. No, as you're going through this process, start making those phone calls. Okay. Okay. This process of building out your CRM will be a commitment in time and effort. There is undoubtedly, in my opinion, no better ROI with your time than building a CRM to manage your client relationships. This retention effort will pay dividends. Will pay dividends for your business over your entire career. If the process feels overwhelming, start small and build on it week after week. Work with 10 to 25 contacts a week as you build this out. Okay. This is a perfect quarterly initiative to commit to as part of your 3-year vision business plan. Okay. Building and maintaining a well managed CRM isn't just an administrative task, it's a game changer. Advisors who consistently nurture their database see higher conversion rates, more repeat business, and stronger referral business. Okay. In fact, according to the National Association of Realtors, 68% of real estate transactions come from repeat and referral business, yet many real estate professionals fail to properly stay in touch. Those who commit to building a relationship driven business don't just survive, they do really thrive. Okay. And again, I wrote this Monday Morning Pep Talk because I'm constantly asked the question, Jim, how do I start? And the truth is, the sooner you start, the sooner you'll see results. This Monday Morning Pep Talk will give you the guide on how to get started. The advisors who win in this market are the ones who build trust, stay top of mind, and put in the work to maintain relationships and retain future opportunities. You're going to hear me use that word a lot. Retain. A strong CRM strategy is the key to a predictable, enjoyable business. Really, truly, my goal is to help you create a predictable, enjoyable business. Um, and I haven't seen it done without a strong CRM strategy, honestly. Okay. So I appreciate you, team, for jumping on. If you're not on the email list and you want to get on it, hop on my Instagram at Ask Jim Miller, and in the link there, you can sign up for my email. It's chocked full of great content every week. It gives you that micro learning that I hope to bring your way every week. I appreciate you listening more than you know. Have a great week, team. I'll be back at you next week with another version of my Monday Morning Pep Talk. Thank you.